Hi everyone, it's Momo. Today I'm going to unbox my new bag organizer from Samorga and also show you what fits in them. And I'm gonna do some comparisons as well because I got two different types, as you can see. One a pink one and a purple one. And they're also different fabrics as well. So they are both my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. But I also have a Longchamp Le Pliage in size large, which is this one. So it's in black. And if you compare the sizes, I think they're pretty similar. So I thought I could also use one of them to my Le Pliage as well. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one I got is 2mm felt, but it's double layered and it's in Indian pink. So it has two cup holder and also a room for iPad as well. Pockets inside. It also has two pockets on the outside on the other side. And it has care instructions. So this is felt, so 100% polyester, and it says dry clean and iron medium. And going to the second one. So this one is actually wool blended. It says 3mm wool blended felt. It has one drink holder and pockets inside. And this one doesn't have a pocket outside at all. So just one's on the inside. This color is called Periwinkle. It's kind of like bluish purple color. I got this color to match my Neverfull. And the instruction says 30% wool, 30% nylon, and 40% polyester. Dry clean and iron medium as well. And they also gave me two little gifts. This one will be probably good for lip balms. And then other one, it's a little bit narrower but also longer. Just two side by side to compare. As a first impression, the double layer felt one, it sits up. It definitely has a bit more structure compared to the wool blended one. This is definitely a little slouchy, and even looking at inside, you can see how the edge kind of curve on the wool blended one, whereas on the felt one, it's a lot straighter. And let's put things inside. Okay, so I just put my double layer felt one inside my Neverfull MM. It fits nicely and it's nice and structured inside. And I'll switch and put the other one inside. This is the wool blended one. I love the color, actually match perfectly to this Neverfull. So this wool blended one was very slouchy without putting in the bag, but when I actually put it in, as you can see, I think it fits a little bit better to the bag than the double layer felt one. It matches the curve on the bag a little bit better. I'm also gonna try and put the organizers in my Longchamp Le Pliage. This is a large size. It actually fits pretty nice. It has a little bit room around, but this bag is pretty big, and it actually, I think it'll be a good organizer to have inside. And we'll try the wool one. And this one fits nicely as well. And now I'll put items in each organizers. Okay, so one side of the pocket is a little bit bigger than the other side just because on this side it has the pen holder, so that this side pocket will be a little bit bigger. So I will start with my key holder. I'll put on a smaller pocket right here, and my card holder on the other side, and then I'll put my phone on the pocket other side, and also my passport case. This pocket is actually big enough to fit the passport case, and also my wallet, and I'll put my drink bottle on one side, and my sunglasses on the other pocket, and my coin purse I'll actually put pocket on the outside. And I also like to carry some tea bags. I'll put on the pocket outside, and I'll put a pen on this pen holder. This is for my iPad Pro. And one of the reasons I decided to go for this double felt one is because it has the iPad holder, which I carry all the time. So I put my iPad Pro right here. So right now it looks like this. And I would also carry my earphone. So now everything is nice and organized. And also the pouches I got as a gift. This is the longer one. I'm gonna put lip maximizer and my NARS lipstick. It fits nicely. I'll put one here. And the smaller one, I'll put another lipstick and my lip balm, and put it on one side. So now it's like this. And let's put it inside a bag. So everything is organized and it fits perfectly. Moving on to the wool blended one. I'm just going to transfer the items. So starting with passport case, my phone, my key holder, and my card case. And because this one only has one drink holder but pocket on the other side, I'm actually going to put my drink on one side, and I'll just put my sunglasses on the big pocket. And also doesn't have a pocket on the outside, so I'll just put my coin case on the side pocket right here, and my pen onto the pen holder, and my wallet onto the main area. And also I'll put my iPad, it's just right here, and my headphone also in the main compartment. So now it looks like this. It doesn't have an iPad holder, but it seems pretty secure because it has the drink holder here. And I'll also put this to the pouches. I'll actually reorganize, have it standing up. And now everything is in, and let's see how it fits in Neverfull. Now it's nice and organized. It fits very nicely. And I loved the color is matching. And let's transfer one of these to the Longchamp Le Pliage. Because my bag is black, I actually like that it's different color contrast, so you can see everything inside very clearly. And it also has still room at the top, so if you need to put your jumper or scarf, it still has lots of room. So that was two different bag organizers I got from Samorga. And I do love this pink color and love the fact that it has the iPad holder. And if you like something really structured, I recommend getting the double layer felt. But looking at both of them, I do actually think that wool blended one fits a little bit better to the Neverfull MM. But overall, I'm very happy with both of them and I'm really excited to use them with my bag. I hope this video gives you a better idea of these bag organizers. I'll also put the link down below so you guys can have a look at their website. And if you have any bag organizers you love, please share and comment down below. Thank you for watching.